Like, this is like literally like a $2 wig compared to like some of these bitches on here. Be wearing these $1,000 wigs. Middle-aged vibes and shit. Go ahead and get your wig snatched. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie XO here. As you can see, your bitch is serving you a very cheap wig. Like 70 bucks compared to like what some of these other YouTubers wear, these like $1,000, $3,000, $4,000 wigs. But yeah, I've had a lot of requests because I do post a lot of pictures wearing this wig. It is giving you middle age, honey. It's giving you that black and white, gorgeous salt and pepper hair. Don't know why I chose this one. I think it was just different. I am gonna get another wig here shortly. It's gonna be a little bit nicer than this one, but we are gonna be doing a Valentine's Day look for you guys. So I figured, you know what, let me just toss on this rat and let's do it. You know, let's put together a Valentine's Day look for you guys and make it pink, make it fun. I got on my Walmart sweater, just bought for y'all. Look at the sleeves, they're cute. They're like little, they're kind of netted. So like a bitch is giving you skin. Like what? Like right there. But so yeah, I look ridiculous right now, but once we come into, you see, like this wig, y'all. It's one of those wigs, let me explain it to you guys. No partnership, no sponsor, obviously. They wouldn't sponsor this cheap Ratchet, but there's no part in it, so you can kind of part it any way that you want to part it. But you know what? I've had a lot of requests to go ahead and do like a video in the wig, probably so they can laugh at me, which is fine because I'm here to create content and that's what I want to do for you guys. We're playing with the Milani, they have a new palette out, so it's their Milani Luster Light palette. And it does have a bunch of cute, bright, and like pink and like foiled colors in there. So we're gonna be like playing with those. We're gonna be doing the Milani blushes, the concealer, highlighters, all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started in the Valentine's Day look. I feel like motherfucking cousin it. Guys, welcome back. I did tame the poodle on my head, that cheap thing. I mean, come on, screw that. Like, really? It did have lace on it, but it was way too dark for me, so I cut it off. I know I can probably like bleach it and stuff, but I was like, you know what? Your girl ain't got time for all that. I've had this wig for a hot minute. I'm surprised it doesn't look rattier than what it is, but it is long.
Like, your bitch is serving you some inches, honey, some inches.
I hid and like pinned it back as best as I could, trying to look cute, because you know, some of these YouTubers with their actual hair or these tracks in, they be pinning this stuff back with their blingy little clips. Honey, we got some Sally Beauty, okay? So that's what we're working with. As y'all can see, I do have a backdrop, aka blanket, that's pinned up to the wall because bitch can't afford a backdrop yet, but I do have one on the way. I did purchase one, so we're moving on up in the world. It's so cute. I can't wait for you guys to see it, for it to make its debut in this beach. So first we are gonna go in, since it's pink, we're gonna go in with the Elemis, the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This stuff is amazing. This is just to hydrate our face and everything. So do y'all have any plans for Valentine's Day? You guys gonna be like loners? Like what's up? So is everybody gonna be here? Like are y'all going out? Do you have a date? Do you have a Valentine's? I never knew if it was Valentine's or Valentine, so let me know in the comments below. And I'm a flipper for some reason when I have on a wig, so you may just see me like, it's fine. Prime, I did pick up, this is the Milani. This is their Rose Primer Prep and Hydrate. So again, this does nothing with my phone, so I don't know why I'm doing it, but there's that. I did get my nails done, y'all, look. So if I stab an eye out, it's fine. We're okay. So we're gonna prime our face with this. This is very moisturizing. It's kind of like, it has like that water consistency, like that water lotion type of feel. So that's pretty cool. Good like note for you guys, if you do have like an oil like this that you use that is good for your face and that's good for your skin and has collagen in it, You can drop it in your primers if it's not hydrating, or even your foundations, just to give you that little bit more hydration. So, little cute note for you guys. Go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This one is in the shade Buff Bisque. So yeah, y'all definitely let me know down below if you guys are gonna do any like Valentine's Day plans, what they are. If you guys have like any Valentine's Day like traditions. I know some people do. I don't. Me and my boyfriend, we just tend to like wing it, you know, like in the beginning of our relationship 6 years ago, we used to do like, you know, the whole like, oh, let's get me a card and some flowers and get me this and make me feel like
a little princess that I like.
But now it's like, no, no. I do blend out the foundation over my eyes. I know some people don't. I just feel like I really, genetically, like I say all the time, I have really dark bags around my eyes, like it's raccoons. I don't want to put too much product because I do crease, so too much product can create creasing like under the eye area where you conceal. And my main areas where I crease are going to be here on my smile lines. It's going to be my chin area because my chin is like a fat ass on its own. And my forehead. As y'all can see, I have like 463 wrinkles on my forehead. So yeah, I have a lot of requests to wear my wig in for my next video. So I was like, you know what, let me do what the people want. But this is my motto. I know a lot of you guys have seen my last video where I was very truthful with you guys, and I really truly appreciate the support with that. Ever since then, I just fully honestly feel like confidence is key. You have to be confident in yourself. But confidence is definitely where it's at. Like once you start accepting yourself, once you once you're truthful with everything that you've gone through, what you've been through, you will develop a confidence in yourself that I can't explain. So going through the eating disorder that I had, going through the whole coming out stage, I mean, look, I'm on camera in a wig, looking like Nun Catherine, and that's fine. I'm confident in myself. You know what I'm saying? Some people aren't gonna like it. Some people are gonna love it. Some people are gonna find it hilarious. But that's the whole point of it. Like when you're a content creator, and I'm I'm new to it, so you know. But I'm also the type of person that I've built up a shell. Not really a shell, but I can take the criticism. You know what I'm saying? Like if somebody does not like me, I'm okay with that. Okay, foundation is blended out. I do have the Milani concealer, and this one is long wear, conceal, and this one is in the shade Light Nude. I do love the way that this concealer works on your skin. It is very moisturizing, it's very creamy. So that's the plus about this concealer, and it is also brightening. I do not remember it creasing too much when I wore it in my last video, when I was trying this one compared to another one. So I'm definitely gonna see if this one, because I crease right here in this line, I crease, smile lines I crease, it's just bad. So okay, the concealer is blended out. I don't know if you can see how it does brighten those areas.
I missed the spot.
We are going to set our entire face with the e.l.f. HD powder. BoxyCharm's March Premium Box is supposed to be they've had spoilers leak out, are supposed to be practically all Fenty Beauty. So if you're not with BoxyCharm, I suggest you signing up with them, getting those fun products. But there has been some drama with BoxyCharm and the whole Storybook Cosmetics and stuff. So if you're into that, and you want to see with the tea on that, go check out Selena with the C's page. She has receipts, she has everything on that. So go check her out. I will link her picture and everything, and I'll put her link to her YouTube channel in my description box, and check it out because it's some crazy stuff with BoxyCharm. I'm a ride or die bitch, so I'm gonna stay with BoxyCharm just for the fact that you do get good products.
This wig is about to get snatched off.
I told you guys I was a flipper. I'll be doing this 10 times. So if it's a trigger,
Bitch, bye.
Mary Catherine. Okay, now we are gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. I am gonna go in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is in the shade 4.5. the worst time that I've had doing my eyebrows ever. Like I've had to wipe the product off. It's just, yeah. So now we're gonna go in and we are going to contour. I'm gonna go in with the Ulta contour kit. This is from Ulta. I really do like this. I actually like the way that the shades, you know, like blend on your skin. Definitely would like to have suggestions and definitely try them out, because I would like to do a video, like a full face of like, you know, my followers picking my makeup type of thing, you know, like you guys like give me requests on like different products and I kind of just create like a full face with it. So that's something that I would actually enjoy doing. I'm gonna blend it out with a Eco Tools brush. So it looks blotchy right now, but that we're just getting kind of in the areas where we want to contour. We are going to bronze with, this is the L'Oreal Bronze Please bronzer, and this was in their summer line that they came out with, and it's in the shade La Terra. Actually at 210 followers, so when I hit 500 followers, I will be doing a big giveaway, so definitely keep sharing my page, keep subscribing, get your friends who love makeup to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm definitely not gonna stop. I do wanna start putting more videos out more consistently for you guys. It's just a little bit of a struggle. I am doing this on my phone in my dining room area, but I don't mind. I absolutely love this. I love creating content. This is my job. I don't get paid for it. I'm doing it because I enjoy it. A lot of people have already asked me,
Like, oh, are you getting paid to do this? Are you getting paid on YouTube?
no, baby. If I was more focused on getting paid on YouTube,
I'd be poor.
so definitely not happening. So I did pick up a blush from Milani. I am actually gonna go in with this is their shade Romantic Rose Powder Blush. This one's actually really pretty. So this is the packaging for it here. And then this is how it looks when it's open. It's just like a beautiful rose. It is such a pretty color. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna do blush with this one. It doesn't have a smell to it. It has like a chalky, so it doesn't have a good smell to it at all. Now we are going to do our eyeshadow. So I did pick up, like I showed you in the beginning, the Milani lip. This is the Milani Luster Light Palette. So we are doing like a little Valentine's Day look today. So this one does have a lot of beautiful like pinks and like type of like foils in them. So we're gonna create a look with this one. This is the Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush. I'm gonna go in with this one. And I have a hair in my mouth. And the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is gonna be the shade Adulting, which is gonna be this one right here. And I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna pack it on the brush. And this, now I will say about this palette off the bat, it does have a lot of like kickback. So I don't know if you can see that.
Damn, son, where'd you find
It does
this?
have a lot of fallout to it, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Long Rain. That's gonna be the one right down here. And that's gonna be more like to give our eyes some more depth. And I'm gonna go in with the crease with that area and then bring it out. So now we're gonna be doing a half cup crease so we can create more of like that ombre effect. And we're gonna go over the half cut crease that we do. And we are gonna use the shade Luster Light, which is gonna be the shade right here. Yes, it has actually very pink pigments to it. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. So, and with the half cut crease, I'm gonna be taking the brush. This is the Morphe M166 brush. And we are going to get our concealer on that way. We're gonna be using the Bye Bye Under Eye It Cosmetics concealer because that one is very tacky. Okay, our hat cuff crease is done. Now we are going to take these shades with a small packing brush. I'm actually going to go in with this is the Eco Tools smudge brush. And we are going to use the shades Long Rain and Eat Cake. So we're going to use this shade right here, and then we're gonna go in with Eat Cake, which is right here. So this shade, and go on the lower lash line, and we're gonna bring it up to connect everything together. That is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes and do the lashes off camera. I did pick up, these are the Ardell 3D Foam Ink lashes. So I went ahead and grabbed these, and I'm gonna get these off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, I went ahead and finished my lashes off camera. I'm having trouble with them too. For some reason, they don't wanna stick to the product as far as with the glue that I have. So I'm gonna have to invest in better glue. So they fall off my face in the process. It's real life. So now we are going to highlight. I'm gonna go in with the Milani. This is the Stellar Lights highlighting palette. And we are gonna go in, and for some reason, I do not have another highlighting brush. I do have this one from Morphe, but I don't know if I want to use it. It's just too small for me. So I'm gonna go in with the Eco Tools brush here. I'm a hot mess, bitch. And I'm gonna go in with this one here, and we're gonna highlight with that. So we're gonna, since it's Valentine's Day and we're doing like pinky vibes, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is a pink tone. I don't see it, bitch. Where is it at? That ain't it. I mean, it's glowy, but it's not like beaming. Let me try going in with this blue shade. Let's see if that does a difference. Okay, a little different. Nothing too extra. Last stuff to do now is lips. I do not have a Milani lipstick, but I do have the Milani lip gloss. Fluster Lights. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics, their Velvet Lipstick in the shade Boy Bye. Okay, lips are done. So all that's left to do is apply the lip gloss. This is the one by Milani. Okay, everybody, this is a complete Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did use mainly Milani products because I wanted to create a look with drugstore products that you guys can use and afford and go get and still look bomb beautiful for Valentine's Day on your date, whether you're going by yourself, whether you're gonna celebrate with somebody or husband, partner. Definitely leave in the comments below what you'd like to see next. If you liked today's look, what was your favorite product? I know a lot of us, and I know myself, I cannot go out and just buy a $50 palette and all that stuff. So again, I had a request to do a video in the wig. I probably look like Miss Man, or I probably look like Mrs. Doubtfire, but it's okay, honey. I'ma swing these cheap inches, girl. So if you liked today's video, please definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please subscribe to your bitch's page. Yeah, so definitely, again, like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.